This guide details the process of creating a Workspot template on WorkSpaces core. Begin by setting up an EC2 instance from a private AMI based on an imported VM from your virtual environment. Once you log into your EC2 instance, visit download.workspot.com to get the latest agent. Open the command prompt as an administrator to install the Workspot agent. Follow the prompts, click Next, agree to the terms, install, and finish the setup. When asked, enter your Workspot Control Admin account credentials and proceed by clicking Next, then OK. Once installation is complete, confirm with OK and then Finish. Next, go to the C, Program Data, Workspot Agents directory. Check the properties of the config folder in the Security tab, ensuring administrators have full control. Then head to C, Program Files, Workspot Agent to run the Workspot config editor. Here, click OK, select Don't Join Domain, and then Submit. Run PowerShell and execute the BYOL checker. And address any warnings or errors. Proceed to the AWS console. Select your instance and create an AMI from your EC2 instance using the same name. Once the AMI is ready, usually in 5 to 10 minutes, import it into WorkSpaces core as an image using the provided command. In the WorkSpaces console, under Images, you can monitor the status. After about 30 to 45 minutes, create a bundle from your WorkSpaces image. Ensure the names match, specify the bundle hardware type and storage settings, and then click Create. Finally, log into your Workspot control account and navigate to Setup, then Cloud. Access your WorkSpaces core, cloud configuration, and click Register Template. Select your region, search for your template, select it, and save the configuration.